Today, we will talk about how to make money through YouTube. For many, making money on YouTube is the dream. After all, YouTubers appear to have a great life and the adoration of their fans to bask in. And since creating a YouTube channel is easier than ever, there's no harm in thinking big and aiming high. But while creating a YouTube channel is simple, turning it into a cash machine isn't as straightforward. You may earn your first $100 by selling something or landing a sponsorship deal, but maximizing earnings requires understanding all your options before you dive in. Making money through YouTube involves creating engaging content, building a loyal audience, and monetizing your channel through various methods. One primary avenue is through Google AdSense, where advertisements are displayed on your videos and you earn revenue based on ad views and clicks. To qualify for AdSense, you need to meet certain criteria, including reaching a minimum threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. Additionally, creators can generate income through sponsored content and brand partnerships. Companies may pay you to promote their products or services in your videos, either through product placements, shoutouts, or dedicated sponsored content. Another way to make money on YouTube is by selling merchandise such as branded clothing, accessories, or digital products like ebooks or courses through your channel's merch shelf or links in video descriptions. Lastly, you can leverage YouTube's membership and subscription features such as channel memberships and super chats during live streams, where fans can support you with monthly payments or one-time donations in exchange for exclusive perks or recognition. Success on YouTube requires consistent high-quality content, engagement with your audience, and strategic monetization strategies tailored to your niche and target audience. We've created this video to walk you through all of the information that you'll need to know if you want to know how to make money on YouTube. At the end of this video, you'll know the different ways to make money on YouTube, and you'll be able to grow your own business with one of the biggest internet platforms in the world. Can you make money on YouTube? The short answer is yes. Thousands of people are doing it, and not all of them have millions of subscribers to boot. Contrary to popular belief, YouTube isn't just a numbers game. Your earning potential also depends on the niche you cater to, the level of engagement you generate, and the revenue streams you tap into. Do you get paid for uploading videos on YouTube? YouTube doesn't pay creators for uploading videos on YouTube. Also, the videos aren't monetized by default. In order to start earning money on YouTube, you have to enable monetization from your account settings. YouTube gives you the option to join its partner program or have your videos featured on YouTube Premium. More on this later. How to make money from YouTube. If you've been looking for new ways to generate income, you may be wondering how to make money from YouTube. Well, there are a variety of different ways that you can start earning on the platform, most of which revolve around creating compelling video content. 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. If you've been wondering how to make money from YouTube, then it's essential that you're aware of the YouTube Partner Program and how it works. YouTube content creators won't be able to monetize any of their videos until they've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. When your YouTube channel has 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public views, you'll be reviewed to join the Partner Program. This means that you won't be able to generate any revenue until you've hit these numbers, so it's essential to continue creating content and increasing your channel's reach. You can apply for the monetization once you meet the program's criteria. Log into the YouTube account you intend to monetize. Click your account's icon in the top right corner and click YouTube Studio. From the left-hand menu, choose Other Features Greater Than Monetization. Go through the Partner Program terms and click Agree. Connect an existing AdSense account or create a new one for your channel. Define your monetization preferences. After taking these steps, go back to the dashboard and open the Analytics tab on the left. On the next screen, select Revenue from the top and then scroll down until you see the chart Monthly Estimated Revenue. The chart will give you an idea of your predicted monthly revenue. How many views do you need to make money on YouTube? The number of views your videos get doesn't correlate to your YouTube earnings. If you get thousands of views but no one clicks your ads or consumes content, you won't earn any money. YouTube even has criteria for paying publishers running ads on their channel. A viewer must click the ad or watch it in full for you to earn money. That said, there's good news for people learning how to make money off YouTube. You're no longer solely dependent on advertisers to earn revenue. Programs like YouTube Premium now exist to help you make money without ad clicks or consumption. 2. Get featured on YouTube Premium. How do you make money on YouTube besides running channel advertisements? YouTube Premium is the answer. YouTube Premium is a paid membership service that enables people to watch ad-free videos. Creators don't have to do anything as they'll automatically get a second revenue stream when YouTube Premium members play their videos. As with YouTube monetization rules for advertising-based revenue, most of the revenue generated via premium membership fees will go to creators. Total revenue distribution is based on how much premium members watch your content. Premium members will also get the opportunity to download and watch your videos offline and play them in the background, which contributes to your watch time. 3. Offer channel memberships. When your YouTube channel gets more than 30,000 subscribers, you can add another income stream by leveraging channel memberships. This is where fans pay $4.99 a month for a membership package that includes perks like early access to videos, members-only live chat, exclusive emojis, and more. Members will be highlighted in comments, live chat, and the community tab through special members-only badges. Because audiences are well aware that it can be a real challenge to get a YouTube creator's attention, it makes sense to offer channel memberships. And voila, you got another answer for how to make money from YouTube. Pro tip: use your videos to remind people that they can become exclusive members by clicking the join button on your page. 4. Endorse affiliate products in your videos. Businesses are well aware of the potential which YouTube channels with a large following have, and they're always looking to exploit this to grow their own business. Once you've garnered a substantial following on the platform, you'll likely experience businesses reaching out to you and requesting you to promote their products in exchange for cash. Consider becoming an affiliate of these brands and including product placements in your videos. You can also sign up for popular affiliate programs to expand your affiliate network. It can be a great way to generate some extra revenue, but be careful when doing this as viewers are well aware when something is being advertised. Pro tip: only promote products that you think will be valuable for your audience and disclose the partnership to your viewers that will help you comply with YouTube's policies. 5. Monetize live streams via Super Chat. Super Chat is a popular new way to make money from YouTube. The feature lets your audience buy chat messages that stand out and, in certain instances, pin them to the top of the comments section of a live stream. So when you go live on YouTube, you can use Super Chat to monetize your stream. YouTube monetization rates for Super Chat range from $1 to $500, and the company takes a 30% cut from the revenue. For anyone wondering how to make money from YouTube's Super Chat, the key is to organize and promote live streams. Promote them in videos, on other social media platforms, and anywhere else where your audience loves hanging out. 6. Become a YouTube influencer. With influencer marketing on the rise, there's a big opportunity for you as a creator to get in on the action. But where do you start? According to YouTube marketing expert and influencer Brendan Gahan, creators should establish a flat fee by taking the number of views their videos typically receive and multiplying it by 15 cents per view. Digital marketing agency WebFX listed the following figures for how much YouTube influencers can expect to earn: $20,000 per video for a creator with 1 million subscribers, $2,000 per video for a creator with 100,000 subscribers, $200 per video for a creator with 10,000 subscribers. The key to earning more is to partner with brands whose products are valuable to your audiences. Some influencer marketing platforms will connect you with big brands willing to pay high, while others will get you free products. Agree to opportunities that best suit your needs. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.